This week's Multiple Choice Monday is about first ionization energy. And trends in first ionization energy are really common things to get asked in those initial exam questions about atomic structure. So the correct answer was helium, and we just need to have a look at the graph and have a look at the overall trends in first ionization energy to see why this is the case. So one thing we should know about ionization energy, or first ionization energy in particular, is that it always increases across a period, and the reason that it does this is because of increasing nuclear charge. In fact, all of our reasons for first ionization energy increasing, no matter where we are in this graph, are all about increasing number of protons in the nucleus, giving us that increased nuclear attraction, meaning that the outer electron is more strongly attracted and it takes more energy to remove it. And then if we were to look going down a group, we can see that it increases across a period because our noble gases have the highest first ionization energy across the whole period. And if we look at them going down a group, we can see that going down a group, first ionization energy decreases down a group. And this is because of increased number of shells, increased shielding, and a greater distance between the nucleus and that outer electron. All of these factors making it easier and therefore less energy to remove the electron. So all that means is that helium, which is the furthest to the right on the periodic table and also the top of its group, will be the highest first ionization energy. Neon will be the highest for its period. Fluorine, the reason I popped that one in there is because it is the most electronegative, and electronegativity is very strongly linked to first ionization energy. It is simply that we don't consider helium as having electronegativity because electronegativity is about attracting electrons from within a covalent bond, and helium doesn't do any covalent bonding. If you would like to do a bit more revision, don't forget my next online masterclass is 26th of March, so I'm taking bookings for that right now, and your first class is free. Practice exam style questions and explain the videos on my website, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more A-level chemistry tips and revision materials.